That's why remember, please, between these our longitudinal grooves, we have horizontal groove. And it contains 6 elements, 2 veins. It is branches of the portal vein, 2 arteries. It is 2 branches of proper hepatic artery, right and left. And finally, 2 ducts. It is right and left. If vessels, arteries, and veins go to the liver, ducts leave the liver. Yeah, our dear friend, am I right when I say that the veins go to the organ? You see? So clever person. She find just now mistake of the teacher. Teacher say that veins come to the organ. She say, no, sir, you're wrong. Veins doesn't come to organ. Veins leave the organ. Brilliant, friend. Now take the pen and put for me negative mark in the register. Of course, teacher is right, because this is unique vein. This is vein which is make the supplement, not drainage. This is vein which is called portal vein. And this is provided blood to organ, not remove the organ blood. And your liver has also drainage veins, which is not located in the hilum, which is located in the posterior portion, and which we call hepatic veins. They are doesn't visible here, because they immediately, you can see now, the inferior caval vein is cut it. And inside of it, on the anterior wall of it, you see 2 small or 3 small apertures. This is hepatic veins, which is immediately, very short by the way, immediately drain into inferior caval vein. But I ask you about these veins, because this is 6 structures which is located in the hilum of the liver. Yeah, that's why these hilum, all vessels and arteries and veins, they deliver the blood into the liver. And only ducts deliver the liquid from the liver, liquid which we call bile. That's why from 6 structures, 4 provided something to the liver, 2 evacuated something from the liver. Tell me, my dear friend, by the way, I appreciated your activity in the party. Tell me, what is the function of the bile? Brilliant. Bile is necessary for detoxification. Super. Friends, super. Maybe you will open my eyes. Why we need the bile?
For the breakdown of
Friend, bile, it is digestive liquid.
digestion, yes.
But which digestion?
The fats.
Do you wash your dishes in your home, or you have some workers? Which kind of liquids you use for this? Which is make breakdown of the fats, They make emulgation. They make dilution of the fats. Same function in your body make the bile. Bile make the dilution. How? It is break down big fats into the small drops, which can be absorbed by your intestinal mucous membrane. It is break it into the lipids, together with some ferments, which is located in pancreatic juice, for example, lipase. This is understandable for the friend, not detoxification, friend. Don't tell me such. Now let's come to the next point, which is called syncope. Okay, I understand where is liver. I understand what the parts of the liver. By the way, about parts, don't forget to mention also 2 margins. Posterior margin, it is related to the position of T11, T12, and it is touched to the diaphragm and fused with the diaphragm by its ligaments. And anterior marginitis or inferior marginitis short. As I say, it is coincide for the adults with the position of the right costal arch. Now let's speak about the position of organs. We call it syncope. Above of your liver, we have diaphragm. In front of your liver, we have diaphragm and anterior wall. Behind of your liver, we have the diaphragm and posterior wall. Below your liver, we have little bit complicated situation. And to make it easy for you, imagine now this inferior surface, which is divided into two fields, anterior and posterior. And let's discuss what is attached to your liver. First of all, in anterior row, then in posterior row. We will start it from right to the left. If you look to the anterior row, the most right portion touched to the right knee of transverse colon. Little bit left to it, we have depression of the gallbladder. Little bit left to depression of the gallbladder, this huge depression, it is the stomach depression. Because mainly quadratus and the left lobe touch to the anterior surface. My left hand is stomach. My right hand, it is the left lobe of the liver. They touch to each other. And between them, as you know, we have small omentum, lesser omentum. Now, my pen, which I put between them, it is lesser omentum. For the stomach, it is the lesser curvature. For the liver, it is the high lobe. And my pen contains now two ligaments. Left side of ligament we call hepatogastric, right side hepatoduodenum. Is it understandable? That's once again, anterior row from right to left. Depression of transverse colon, depression of the gallbladder, depression of the stomach. Now let's come to the posterior row. Behind of depression of the right knee, we have depression of right kidney. Behind of depression of the gallbladder, we have depression of duodenum. A little bit left to depression of duodenum, we have depression of inferior caval vein. A little bit left to depression of inferior caval vein, you have depression of esophagus. It is abdominal and again stomach. Left lobe totally has depression of the stomach. Once again, posterior row from right to left, knee depression, gallbladder depression, the duodenum depression, inferior caval vein depression, esophagus depression, stomach depression. I think it's not so hard. If it's not hard, let's come to next question. It is the ligaments of the liver. All liver ligaments we can divide into three big groups. Number one, suspensor. Number two, nutrition. Number three, it is the remnant. Repeat it, please, what I say, Ikra now. Huh? Ikra. Now, okay.